In this quick video, I'll show you how to set a custom page as the home page for your WordPress website. I've been using this method for years, both on my own sites and for clients, especially when I need to design a home page and switch to it without any downtime for a website. Let's get started by going to the admin dashboard, then settings and reading. This is where you can pick your new page and hit the Save Changes button. Now let's go back to the home page and reload it to make sure it's displaying the page we've just selected. And there you have it. This is how to set a custom page as a front page in WordPress. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful, or of course, if you're having problems changing the home page. I'll do my best to help you out.